In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import LUT in Davinci Resolve. If you've ever downloaded a new look for your footage and wondered how to get it into Davinci Resolve so it's available every time you edit, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a clean, reliable method to add LUTs to Resolve's built-in library so they show up exactly where you expect them. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop or Applications folder. Once it opens, go ahead and open an existing project you want to work in. You can use any project here. We just need access to the project settings so Resolve knows where to load your LUTs from. Look down to the bottom right corner of the interface and click the small gear icon. That opens the project settings window. On the left sidebar of this window, select the Color Management tab. This is where all the color-related settings live, including the controls for your LUT library. Now scroll down until you see the Lookup Tables section. This is the area Resolve uses to manage and refresh its LUT database. Click the button labeled Open LUT Folder. Resolve will open a new window in your operating system's File Explorer, Finder on macOS or File Explorer on Windows, showing the exact folder where it expects LUTs to be stored. With that folder open, drag and drop your .cube files right into it. If your LUTs are organized in a folder already, you can drop the entire folder in as well. Resolve will keep that folder structure, which makes it easier to browse later. A quick tip: give your folders clear names like Camera LUTs or Creative Looks so you can find what you need at a glance. And make sure the files are actually unzipped and end with .cube before you move them over. Once your LUTs are in place, return to Davinci Resolve. Still in the Project Settings window, click the Update Lists button located just above the Open LUT Folder button. This tells Resolve to rescan the LUT directory and register anything new you added. When that finishes, click Save to close the settings. That's it. Your LUTs are now installed and ready inside Resolve, and they'll appear the next time you browse your LUTs within the app. If you don't see them, double-check that you placed the cube files into the correct LUT folder and click Update Lists again. Keeping your LUTs organized and backed up with your projects is a great habit, especially when collaborating or moving between machines. Thanks for watching, and enjoy color grading with your newly imported LUTs.